Gandang buhay sa ating lahat, saan man sulok ng mundo. Shout out all. Hope you okay lang kayo dyan. This is our ulam today. Bango. Nilagay namin sa oven yung chicken. Tsaka yan yung naka-stick chicken barbecue ni Madam. Tapos linagyan namin ng manok. Sinabay namin yung ulam namin for our lunch. Tapos may kusa, zucchini, tsaka yung talong. Inoven namin. Bango, sarap. May kasamang bawang. Let's eat na guys. Dito sa Kuwait is 2:30 now. Tara, kain na tayo. Tuloy-tuloy lang tayo. Sipag at tiyaga lang para sa pamilya. Thank you Lord for this food. And for this day again and again. Always pray. And always thankful for these blessings. Ingat tayong lahat. Ito yung kasama ko, si Sis Inday Gamay. Mapagsili siya. Kamayan portion na para mas masarap. Mas masarap ang may nagkakamay na kumain. At saka malasahan mo talaga. Diba? Buhay probinsya. Thanks God for this food again and again. Take care always and God bless us all. Thank you for watching and supporting my videos. Love you all. Let's eat na guys. Let's eat. Only rice na naman tayo nito. Pero pag gabi huwag na tayong kumain ng rice. Pag lunch okay lang. Sarap. Tara, kain na tayo. Enjoy the food and always thankful for this food again and again. Simpleng buhay, simpleng ulam. Be thankful. God bless us all.